Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you simple steps to block spam on WhatsApp lock screen. So if you're getting annoyed with the messages and calls from unknown callers or unknown user, here's what you're going to do. All you have to do is go to your settings, and then go to account. And then here, what you're going to do is to just simply go to security notifications. And what you're going to do here is to toggle this one on. As you can see, the security notifications is between you and the people you choose. Also, after doing this, you can now go back and then look for privacy. Here you have to scroll down, and then what you're going to do here is you have to set this privacy into my contacts only, including last seen and online, profile photo, about, status, and then you can also go to groups and then set this to contacts, live location, calls, and then for block contacts, what you're going to do here is you just have to add the context that keeps on calling you or messaging you, and these accounts are unknown to you. So once they call you, all you have to do is to long press their number and then click block. Also go to calls and then turn on the silence unknown callers. So calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. They will still be shown in the calls tab and in your notification, but you will not be bothered because they will not notify on your phone. And the last method here is you have to look for the specific message or conversation here, and then you have to long press, and then you will see options. When you long press, you will see this three dots. Click this one. And then below you have to click block. And then they will ask you again. You can either report a contact or just click block. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below. And please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.